To make it happen, and she's here to show us what kids can expect. Good morning,
Good
Cece.
morning.
And good morning, these lovely young women who are with us this morning. We're going to get to them and what they're doing in just a second. First of all, I just got to ask you, where did you get the name Cece the Great, and how did you become a master hairstylist?
So I've been doing hair since I was 11 years old. And I actually named my daughter Day, that's her middle name, and it means great in Korean. So I just took a little bit of her and added to me, and that's how we got Cece the Great.
Cece, even better. How about that? Okay, so for folks who are watching, why do you say cosmetology is a great field to get into?
So it's a great field for children to grow up in and get into because they can be empowered now. What other job you can work where you can command your own income?
That's a good thing.
You can command your income, and you don't need a license to braid anymore. So at the age of 10, 11, 12, you can make money now. You can braid hair now. You can empower yourself now. Okay. That's why.
So Next Level Cosmetology, you have a summer camp. Why did you want to spend your summers helping kids get into the field and teaching them about it?
Awesome question. So a few things. Well, like I said, I've been doing hair since I was about 10 or 11. They have camps for everything. They have science camp, baseball camp. If I had someone like me to sew into me in this field,
right,
I would be Cece the Legend. So I wanted to empower the youth now with someone who has knowledge about what they're doing and passion. I'm trying to hold back tears because I get to give my girls opportunities like this.
Somehow I think you're fixing to be Cece the Legend anyway. But,
thank you.
Okay, what do kids learn? And we're going to look specifically at some things here, but generally speaking, what do they learn?
So first of all, more important, they learn about mental health, self-esteem, self-awareness, and this year we've added in financial literacy, okay? Not only do they learn that, they learn braiding, hairstyling, makeup, skincare, business, marketing. It is a 5-week crash course for child bosses.
Child bosses.
Child bosses.
Okay,
if you got a child boss, then you come see me.
Okay, Harley, this is your mom you're talking about here. What are you looking forward to?
I'm looking forward.
And tell me what you're doing.
Oh, so I'm doing a spring/summer look because pink and purple, they look good for the summer and spring. And what I'm looking forward to with my mom is bonding with her more and learning new things this year.
Learning some new things. What is one thing you would think is really cool that you're seeing out there that you would like to learn how to do?
What I like to learn how to do
when it comes to cosmetology.
When it comes to cosmetology, I love learning how to do like makeup.
Makeup? Okay, all right. Okay, Cece, what do the kids learn about nails? Because Anaya is working on nails.
Yeah, so she is doing spring art. So this past summer, they learned how to make their own custom press-on nails. We had a professional come in by the name of Chastity with Chemistry Nails. She taught them how to make their own set of custom press-on nails, okay? This year we're learning pedicures, manicures. I want my girls to be empowered to do everything. So right now she's just creating a fun look for the spring and summer and just giving y'all a little cute press-on look.
Just a little cute
press-on look.
Okay, so Anaya, your specialty, I understand, is makeup. And by the way, your makeup is gorgeous this morning.
Thank you.
What has the camp taught you?
It's taught me the more professional side of makeup because I've already known the basics from when I was younger. I used to always like to play with makeup. So going to the camp, I learned the professional side, how to look good for the camera and all the angles and getting lighting right.
Okay, Cece, I can tell from talking to you how enthusiastic you are about sharing with kids. What are some of the values that you want kids to take away?
Right, so I want them to take away that no matter where you're from, it's always a way to empower yourself. And what I love about Next Level Cosmetology for Kids is that we bring in bosses from around the city to help make them greater. I want them to take away that, the sky's the limit. It's more than just being behind the chair. It's about how you impact people beyond the chair. And you can do that at Next Level Cosmetology Camp and beyond.
All right, that's beautiful. Where do people find you?
So they can go to my website at ccthegreat.com. I'm on Instagram at cc_thegreat. I can answer all your questions there, and I hope you sign your little Cosmo bosses up today.
All right, Cosmo bosses.